So, welcome back to Whale Trail. You guys already know the basics, so let's get right into this. Ow, it hurt. Yes. So, dude, okay. I'm gonna get the wiener whale, but first I'm gonna try to save up for coins. Oh yeah, and my trail thing. I got another one last time. Oh god, it's so hard to talk and play at the exact same time. Especially with this game, you can't touch anything that's not a bubble or a star. Which is weird, because stars should burn the crap out of you. Yes, I'm talking about you. You, Jimmy. Whoa, I thought. Whoa. Get out of him. Ooh, the gabbleweed. Yay, first time on camera I got that guy. The red goodie. Yeah, so... Whoa, my score actually changed. It was 184. Now it's 186. Alright. Are you ready to buy him? Can I equip? Now we have one. I only have 89. Did I just have 180 now? Now that I have the wiener shark. The wiener shark. Whoa. And this isn't a wiener shark. This is the wiener whale. Wiener whale. This looks awesome. Why is it so weird? It's so awkward. I mean, like, this game is so friendly. Ow! I got electrocuted like a billion times. 17. Why is that a moon? Okay. Let's go. You guys didn't even leave any comments. Makes me sad. But I just going to get this. I got this guy anyways. I'm gonna try to save up for every guy, and I'm gonna make a video on every single guy. So yeah. Yeah. I just died. Yes, so I'm gonna make a video on every single guy I can save up for. So I like how I'm missing all the stars. 3. Yes, I got that one finally. After missing it 800 times, I got it, and then I died. So the next one I want to save up for is dreadlocks, because dreadlocks is cool. Or kelp. Kelp looks awesome, but I'll leave that for the comments. Or invisible. I played as invisible before. You should make this really hard, and then however much distance you get, like, make the score, like, make the price of these guys higher. And then however distance you get that much coins, and make it a lot harder, and make the amount of money. See, like, that's the distance up there. Ow. And however much distance you get that amount of money, so you could buy characters easier. Because this is just, to get these characters, you have to spend hours upon hours. I missed it. I needed that. Ooh, I'm in the yellow place. Second time ever being in the yellow place, and I died right away. Dash my score. Yeah. Still 186 out of all these people. So what else could I do? Why is Instant Frenzy so much money? Like, I can get a frenzy for like right away. I need that though. I don't need trail fish. Hello, Dino. Dino, come here. Dino left. Okay. I'm gonna keep on playing, and I kind of want to get the ninja. I think that's gonna be what the next video is if I save up for the ninja. I want to save up for the ninja in this video, and then the next video I'll play as the ninja if I get it. Because it's only 1,000, and this is a really good whale. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time, and I'm gonna leave it off there. Because I only have so much recording time. We'll just collect every bubble. I missed those two. Why did I do that? This would never happen in real life. That would be the scariest thing in the world. Having a hot dog whale flying around the sky. A whale dog. A dogfish. Dino, what are you doing? He's freaking out. Oh, God. No. I'm going to turn on life. Dino. Dino. Oh. What is happening? Dino. Brat. That is it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed Whale Trail. Leave a like and subscribe. Bye. Bam! And that's when they spotted the new species of the wiener whale.